Welcome to Learning Fun with Tales. Are you ready? Let's go. Question 1. What is 3 times 22? $66. Question 2. What is 4 times 21? $84. Question 3. What is 2 times 25? $50. Question 4. What is 6 times 23? $138. Question 5. What is 7 times 20? $140. Question 6. What is 8 times 22? $176. Question 7. What is 9 times 21? $189. Question 8. What is 5 times 26? $130. Question 9. What is 3 times 27? $81. Question 10. What is 4 times 24? $96. Question 11. What is 6 times 28? $168. Question 12. What is 7 times 25? $175. Question 13. What is 2 times 29? $58. Question 14. What is 8 times 23? $184. Question 15. What is 5 times 27? $135. Question 16. What is 1 times 30? $30. Question 17. What is 9 times 26? $234. Question 18. What is 2 times 31? $62. Question 19. What is 3 times 33? $99. Question 20. What is 4 times 32? $128. Question 21. What is 5 times 34? $170. Question 22. What is 6 times 35? $210. Question 23. What is 7 times 31? $217. Question 24. What is 8 times 33? $264. Question 25. What is 9 times 30? $270. Question 26. What is 3 times 36? $108. Question 27. What is 4 times 37? $148. Question 28. What is 5 times 38? $190. Question 29. What is 6 times 39? $234. Question 30. What is 7 times 29? $203.